Introducing the 2012 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 30,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined five-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Volkswagen are offered, including front and rear reading lights, an outside temperature display, and one-touch window functionality. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.